Transform your online store from ordinary to extraordinary using the revolutionary power of AI. Tired of spending hours crafting perfect product descriptions or optimizing images for your Shopify store? What if I told you artificial intelligence can do the heavy lifting for you, making your website design and optimization process faster and more effective than ever before? First, let's talk about product descriptions. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can leverage AI tools to generate compelling and persuasive copy. Simply input your product's key features, target audience, and any specific keywords. The AI analyzes this information and generates unique, SEO-friendly descriptions that grab attention and drive sales. But AI's magic doesn't stop at text. Image optimization is crucial for fast loading times and a great user experience. AI-powered tools can automatically resize, compress, and even enhance your product images without any manual intervention. Struggling with customer support? AI chatbots can provide instant answers to common questions, freeing up your time to focus on other critical aspects of your business. By integrating AI into your Shopify workflow, you're not just saving time. You're also enhancing the overall user experience, leading to higher engagement, better conversions, and a more professional, polished online presence. So, start exploring AI solutions today and unlock the full potential of your Shopify website.